What's up, everyone? It's your boy Shotgun Gabe reminding you guys that if I can do it, you can do it. Today is a red day, a loss day, meaning stocks are going down. Your stocks probably went down, my stocks went down. So let's talk about it. Shout out to everyone wearing a red ribbon this month. I just want to say that our prayers and warm thoughts are with you guys. So shout out to everybody that's supporting somebody going through this and the people going through this. Now, why are your stocks down? What's going on? We all know this. I have a lot of red on my daily stocks, and I'm going to tell you guys what stocks of mine are still green today because I got a couple of them that are still green. Now, today, if everybody looked at the global markets, and I go into Webull, and on Webull you can hit markets and it'll say US, cryptos, Canada, wherever. And if you go to US markets, you'll see they all went down. They all took a big dive. And if you look at them, if you look at that, and you look at your stocks, you see they coincide. You can see them going together, and the stock market will dip and yours will dip as well. Now, everything's starting to come back. It's starting to level out and starting to balance, but this is how you make money off that. This is how you profit off that, or this is how I profit off it. I should say. I like saying I because I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I do and what works for me. Now, when I see everything dip or go low, and I see there's certain companies that I've been invested in for a long time, and they always produce me results. They always produce me fruit. They always give back to me. What I like to do is I like to get those companies when they dip, and I like to buy more of them. And see, normally people will sell, or sometimes people will set a stop loss, and that's a good thing to do, or a trending stop. But stocks you want to keep long term, or stocks and ETFs and stuff you're invested in that you're going to keep for a while, what you want to do is when it dips, buy more of them. They're always going to go back up, especially if they're going with the market. Look at them. And it's always good to have some cash at hand because if the market ever does crash, everything's on sale. You want to get stuff cheaper. You get stocks cheaper. I mean, think about it. You get you some Facebook, some Google, some Apple, some Tesla, whatever. If it crashes and everything goes down, it's eventually going to correct itself. It's the stock market's not going to stay closed. So it'll be a good chance for us to get some stuff on discount. Now, what you do is if you have one stock, and I said this in another video, and it's worth $10, and then all of a sudden it goes down to $5, you buy four more. Now you got five of them. Now every time it climbs $1, instead of making $1 when you had one stock, now you make $5 for every dollar it climbs. See, it's a multiple. So the more stocks you have, the more multiples you'll be making every time the stock climbs. Now, so don't get scared. That's why everybody says do your research. That's why you got to look into what stocks you're doing. That way, you know your stock's going to rebound. You know your stock's going to come back, and it's a chance for you to get something cheap, and then to have more of them. That way, the multiple is bigger for when you make it, so you can make more money off of it. Now, I got a lot of stocks. Let me go through them real quick, and I'll tell you which ones. And you guys are going to be surprised by one of them that's been staying green. But if I look in my total gains loss column, I got a lot of green. But if I look in today's gains and loss, I got a lot of red. And PTN, OCGN, NEO, NGA, MTP, MJ, which is the ETF, DARE, Fuel Cell, and AMC are all red. Now, my two green ones, I'll tell you guys the first one. Maybe a few of you guys have it, and I just got into this today, but it's SPYD, and it's an S&P 500 high dividend portfolio. So that's pretty cool. If you don't have it, that's a long-term play. You guys maybe should look into getting that. Check it out for yourself. And this one, now, this one slowly but surely has been making me money, and people have been coming out more and more and starting to do stuff more and more. And I looked at this, and I looked at a few other in this sector, and it's the airline sector. But HA, Hawaiian Holdings, is green, and total, I've had it for a while now. It's brought me 31%, but actually today it's up 38%. And I got green on it in the day, and I got green on it total gain and loss. So that thing has steady been climbing today. So you might want to check out that too. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't get scared. Don't get shaken. Just do your research and trust and believe in your stocks. That way, when something like this happens, you say, ooh, look it, it's on sale. It's a quarter price cheaper. I'm going to buy a couple more. That way, when it goes back up, I make more money. Hope this has been helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel. Everyone have a good day.